Nissi Beach in the car park. Usually it's packed at this time of the evening. Everybody's going for a night swim. As you can see, even the restaurant, there's nobody in it. And the local hotel. Try and zoom in here. Nothing. There's a few brave swimmers that are just leaving the beach now. But as you can see, there's nobody here. A few brave swimmers here that's been here swimming. Just going to go on the beach. Yeah. As you can see, nobody here. Nobody here. There's usually a full party going on now, but nothing. Empty. Nissi Beach is dead due to the storm. Nobody's here. A few more swimmers here, a few people here. No party music or anything from the bar, beach bar. A few swimmers in there. Nothing. Nissi Beach is empty. Shame. I think all the people that paid a lot of money to get here, and the weather just changed like this. Even it's filming, you can feel the dust in the air. It's like brick dust. I'm going to try and get a film later with these guys wearing Michael Jackson masks. But there's nothing in the water here. As you can see, the water's very, very still. Very, very still. Zoom in on these people here. That's it. Think he'll find anything today. Who knows? No sight on Nissi Beach. People wearing the masks. Well, this guy here wearing a mask or a towel. You can see the dust in the water. It's like orange dust. It's like Mars, really, like the Martian dust. You see the haze even from the sun in the picture. I don't know if it's that good. You actually see the haze. You see how thick it is. The lights are on. It's in the afternoon and the lights are on. It's not even dark. It's just dark from the dust. That's it. You can see in the distance Nissi Beach Hotel. Usually streaming the people on the beach now. Like I said earlier, it's so dead. Just a few hopeful souls are just getting an evening swim because it's so hot. So hot. It's unbelievable. It's oh. Well, I don't know if you can see this, all the yellow umbrellas, how yellow it is, and all the sunbeds. It's trashed. But like I said, this time of the evening it's packed Nissi Beach. Everybody's going for a nice evening swim. The last dance in the bar, which is quiet. Late afternoon. A few hopefuls, but no, empty. Well, that's it. Thank you. Bye.